Hey, what's up? Sam here. Today we are going to take a quick look at Oppo's new budget ANC earbuds, the Anko Free 2. It was released alongside the Oppo Reno 6 series phone. By the way, I was actually invited to the Oppo launch event. It was mind-blowing. I just like how things organized here. I also met Oppo's president of its China business, my content partner Eva and her son, and also a bunch of other top tech reviewers from China. And you know what? I also got my brand new Oppo Reno 6 Pro phone. Anyway, those will be in my later videos. Stay tuned for that. Today in this video, I'll just focus on Anko Free 2, which I borrowed from another friend Liu Jiaming from the launch event. I'll put a link to him in the description. You can check it out if you're interested. I shot all the scenes at the airport and airplane. The time of shooting this video is really short, but I will try to give you an honest first impression. Hope you like it. Before we get it unboxed, let's check all the highlights that's on the packaging. They come with personalized noise reduction, Oppo and Dynaudio tuning, transparent mode, triple mic noise cancelling for cores, Bluetooth 5.2, and up to 30 hours of music playback. For sure, I will tell you how are they later. The box comes with some paperwork. It's really detailed and it shows everything you need to know about the earbuds. It gives you quick guides of how to choose the best audio tips for you to get the best active noise cancelling results, how to use the earbuds, and more. Then it's overshaped charging case. It's elegant and minimalistic. One indicator on the front to show the battery status, one physical key and the setup for pairing, an Oppo logo on the back, and a Type-C charging port. That's it. The rest of things in the box include 2 extra audio tips and a Type-C charging cable. Now, moving to the earbuds. Obviously, the design was inspired by the Apple AirPods, but I'm really okay with it from my years' experience with the in-ear earphones. Generally, Apple-like earbuds have way better comfort and a snugger fit, not easy to fall off my ears. I just like this kind of STEM design earphones. The Oppo Anko Free 2 especially feel comfortable and lightweight, perfect to wear when I want to have a good rest on the plane. The Oppo Anko Free 2 houses a 10mm moving coil driver with the support for AAC SBC codecs. Similar to the Anko X, Oppo has partnered with Dynaudio for audio tuning. The sound is amazing. They deliver full-bodied and balanced audio. The bass is punchy, at the same time you get a crystal clear vocal. I definitely recommend it for most average users. Just like the Oppo Anko X, the device also comes with 3 levels of noise cancellation, including a transparent mode. You can long press the touch panel to switch between the 3 modes. The gesture control is responsive and easy. On the inside, the audio device comes with a new 3-core noise reduction chip which improves the noise reduction. And that's one of the most impressive features on the Anko Free 2. The official claims the device can reduce outside noise by up to 42 decibels. That's true. Though I don't have professional equipment to test that, I can assure you from my experience, these are hands down the best ANC earbuds that I've ever experienced. I can say this because I literally wear them on the plane during my whole trip. Even without playing music, plane engine sounds are heavily reduced and the voices are way less audible. And speaking of that, one thing I've got to mention is the incredible long battery life. As you can see, before I hop on the plane, the Anko Free 2 has 100% battery left. After more than 3 hours of flying, the remaining battery is 70%. During the whole trip, I'm just using the active noise cancelling feature and not turning on the music because it's not allowed to use the phone on the plane. That's truly amazing considering how tiny the size of the Anko Free 2 earbuds are. Further, Oppo claims this buds can last up to 30 hours of battery life on a single charge with the included case. So if you want a good pair of ANC buds that block all the noises for your trip or for background listening on your workday, look no further. There is also an outstanding feature that I haven't seen on other earbuds, which I really want to share with you, is the personalized noise reduction. Because for each person, the ear shape is different. According to the Anko Free product manager, Oppo has studied more than thousands of samples to develop a sophisticated algorithm to give you the best fitting, which you can adjust that in the settings within a few minutes. Then you will get a perfect pair of ANC Anko earbuds that's only made for you. However, because the Oppo Anko Free 2 has just announced and the phone's OS hasn't updated yet, so I'm unable to show that, but definitely I will try once everything's ready. Another bonus for the Anko Free 2 is the remote control photo taking. Another way to free your hands in some moments. Alright, that's my first impression of the Oppo Anko Free 2. I'm astonished by how well it performed in this price range. It has extremely good active noise cancelling, superb audio quality, a bunch of personalized features that I have never seen in other earbuds. It's definitely a major goal if you want a good pair of budget yet uncompromised active noise cancelling earbuds. I would say it's the best under $100 and you should really try one if you are interested. That's the video. I hope you enjoyed as much as I enjoyed Uncle Free 2. Please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. I'm Sammy. I will see you in the next one.